Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and along with Dedra Hughes and Brooke Peterman, we make up the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today, I'm in beautiful Hahira in Franks Creek at 7665 Kayla Drive. This is a brand new construction and is absolutely gorgeous. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and there's LVP flooring throughout. It's a big open floor plan with split bedrooms. But I'm standing in my favorite part of the house, the back screened-in porch overlooking Franks Creek. So call Brooke or your favorite realtor to see it today. Let's go.